Executive Chef Regis Jansen here at Rex 1516 in Philadelphia, and today I'm going to teach you how to make sweet potato fries. The process is really simple. Peel your sweet potato. You do not want to use sweet potato skins. They can taste bitter compared to regular potato skins like a russet or an Idaho. Sweet potato skins are also fairly dirty. So you always want to peel your sweet potatoes. So when I normally cut sweet potatoes, I usually cut one side off to create a base so your sweet potato will not roll around on you while you're cutting it, and then just cut into slices. And then we got another base to work off of. And then cut into a few more slices. And then take your slices, cut them into fries of your choice. I would recommend with sweet potato fries to do thinner fries because of the sugar in sweet potato fries. It makes them cook better, and they come out crispier when they're thinner. And you all, like I said prior, you always want to let your fries soak for, if you can't afford it, at least an hour in cold water to release all the starch that's inside the potatoes. That way, when you do fry them, they are much crispier than they would normally be. We have our fried sweet potatoes right now. Just toss with a little bit of salt, garnish with a little bit of chives, give them a nice toss, and then plate them in a nice bowl. And that's our finished product.